Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a new smartwatch and you want something that can do a ton of features. So what I have here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. It's going to come in this little box right here. Everything you're going to get is right off the bat. You're going to get the watch itself, and then you're also going to get the little USB-C to USB or watch charging puck here, if you will. Now, if you are used to Samsung's other watches, this does have a lot of upgrades that I have personally noticed. Naturally, every year, things do improve. Now, it's going to come as a 40 or a 44 millimeter as far as the size, so obviously the smaller one's going to look good if you have a thinner wrist like myself. If you have a larger wrist, then you may want to go with the larger size. Now I have the color right here is the graphite color. It does come in other color options if you wish. And then you're also going to be able to get it as a Bluetooth only, where it's paired to your phone. Or if you want it to be tethered away from your phone, you can get it as a cellular option as well. Now, one of the big features, if you are upgrading itself from an existing Samsung watch, or you're looking to get a Samsung watch for the first time, is its health features. This thing has packed ton of new health features on here, and some old ones as well have been upgraded to give you a full kind of body snapshot of whatever is going on with your wrist, so that way you can have those right conversations that you may need to with a professional. So some of those upgraded. It now has what's called vitals, and it's going to activate that when you wear the watch when you are sleeping. And it's going to be looking at various different things from your heart to your sleeping pattern. It also does have an advanced heart mode. It has great, obviously, sleeping mode. This thing will be able to go ahead and monitor your blood pressure. You will need a separate monitor to calibrate it for the first time. It's also going to give you a fitness index on how you are overall for as far as your fitness. And it does much more under the health, basically, setup via the app. There's a lot of features to explore. It does have the new BioActive sensor here on the back, which is quite large. You'll notice it has all the various little sensors. That just is what's reading. You're going to want to make sure it is nice and snug to your wrist. But one of the nice things also about this particular watch compared to the old one that I had is you're going to notice it is very lightweight, and you barely feel that you're wearing it all. So for me, I've never had an issue with sleeping with a watch, but if that's something that is concerning with you, this is a big improvement because you barely feel it. So it's, at least to me, it's definitely not going to bother you at all while you are sleeping while wearing your watch, which is great because, like I said, it has a lot of features, especially that record while you're sleeping, even sleep apnea, all that fun stuff. So now, in addition to all the health stuff, if you are into workouts, it does have the running coach now on here, and then it's also going to have the tons and tons of different workout modes, whether you're doing a stationary bike, whether you're doing a regular bike, whether you're walking, running, weightlifting, swimming, all that fun stuff. You're going to be able to fine-tune those so that way it knows how you are working out and giving you that information. Now, just like the normal watches here, it is going to allow you to completely customize the faceplate itself. Whether you are tech heavy like I have set up, where it's going to give you a snapshot of anything from the weather to your health stats, or if you want something more simplistic and modern, it's going to allow you to pick a faceplate however you want. And you can obviously change those very quickly, very easily. So you can have this thing color coordinated with your outfit, or depending on what you're doing, you can easily switch it out and change it, which is nice. Now, the whole screen is a touch screen, very responsive when utilizing it. You can easily access your navigation or your notifications. Obviously, you can go to your quick widgets. You can access all your various apps, which is just rolling up from the bottom. And then you can go ahead and activate the settings, which is just a quick access settings themselves. Now, you do have the two little buttons here on the side, which is going to give you more features like being able to turn it off. This thing is loaded with Gemini, so you can hold down that top button and go ahead and ask your assistant any types of questions that you may need. And you can obviously change that to a different different assistant if you so wish to utilize that as well. But like I said, this thing is super, super lightweight. It's only 14 grams, and it's actually pretty thin of a watch as well. It is about 8.6 millimeters as far as thickness. A big change that you'll notice between the older models, it kind of has more of a, what I would say, a square kind of setup here with the end, and then the bezel part itself is nice and round. Now, as far as that screen, it is super, super bright and easy to see even in the full-on sunlight. You can adjust it however you want in your settings, where it's always on, where it turns off only when you basically up your wrist or when you tap it. So there's a lot of features to go ahead and explore. Now, it also does run on the latest Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, which is basically what's having you allow to move it around, and it basically responsive as far as a great little chip. Now, the battery life on here, because that's an important aspect with watches, this is upgraded to a 390 mAh battery, but what does that really mean? I've been noticing I get about a day and a half usage out of it as far as normal activity. For me personally, that's usually doing some one type of workout type thing, and then getting a couple kind of notifications for phone calls, maybe checking some stuff every once in a while on my watch. Obviously, if you are utilizing it a lot heavier, listening to music, for example, doing lots of workouts, it's gonna drain that battery a lot faster. But if you're basically minimally utilizing it, it's gonna last a little bit longer. So it kind of depends on your habits. It also does have power saving modes and all that kind of stuff. Now, the actual puck charging itself is just magnetic, just like the previous ones, plugs into a USB-C. I do recommend you get a 65 watt or higher adapter. That is going to let you charge up this battery a lot faster than if you get a slower adapter that can't charge as quickly. But overall, like I said, it is an absolutely great watch, very, very comfortable to wear. That is one of the biggest aspects that I've noticed about it. The screen is very, very bright, very, very easy to read, and it has a ton of the new health benefits that is tracked through the Samsung Health app. So overall, if you are in the market for a new wristwatch, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in that comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.